Welcome to this video tutorial on how to make the most out of the Greenit matchmaking platform. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a good collaboration profile and find partners using this powerful tool. This video has been produced by the Greenit project under Horizon Europe. The first thing you need to do when signing up for the Greenit matchmaking platform is to create an account. To do so, simply click on the Register Now button. You can choose to sign up with your LinkedIn, Google, or email account. We recommend using your business email address to create your account, as this is where Greenit-related mailings will be sent. If you already have a B2 Match account, please use the Login button to avoid creating a second account. Don't forget to tick the privacy checkbox to continue. Now that you've created your account, you can start filling out your profile. The first step is to provide your personal information. Make sure to choose your time zone to synchronize the webinars or 1:1 meeting calls with your local time zone. Adding a picture helps other participants recognize you during a matchmaking event. Next, add your organization name. If your organization is already registered, insert the first 3 to 4 characters to check if someone from your organization has already registered. If so, you don't need to add the company details anymore. Click the Create Company Name link if your organization is not listed. Now it's time to fill out your remaining organization details. Add your organization type, phone number, and website, and upload your organization logo. You can also include your social links and a short organization description. Make sure to add 5 to 10 lines of meaningful company background, preferably via copy and paste from another source. Remember, your organization description is like a business card and will be read by many potential collaboration partners. The better the content, the more requests you might receive. So take your time and make sure to provide a comprehensive and engaging profile. To fully maximize the potential of the Greenit matchmaking platform, it's important to complete your profile with additional information. This will make it easier for other members to find and connect with you. Let's start by adding your country and city. Select your country and city from the drop-down menus provided. This will allow platform members to search for you based on your location. Now, select your areas of activity. You can choose one or more of the given options. These areas will help other members to understand what you do and what you're looking for. This will make it easier for them to find you and initiate collaboration. Lastly, please answer the remaining questions from the Greenit platform operators. Your answers will be seen by other members when they visit your profile. These questions are designed to help you better present yourself and your organization, so take your time and provide detailed and meaningful answers. Remember, the more information you provide, the more likely you are to find the right partners for your collaborations. So take the time to fill out your profile as completely as possible. That's it for this tutorial on how to make the most out of the Greenit matchmaking platform. We hope you found this guide helpful and wish you success in finding the right partners for your collaborations.